I'm here in Charlotte Street today with Nick Fahy, the Chief Executive of Cynergy Bank. Tell us about yourself, Nick.
Well, Michael, I've been in banking about 25 years. I've worked in the UK, in Australia, in Ireland, and in Cyprus. I joined the Bank of Cyprus group in December 2015. So I'm a seasoned banker in many countries. Very passionate about looking after customers. I took the job with Bank of Cyprus originally because it gave me the opportunity to lead a bank that ultimately wants to support business owners, property professionals, but very much with the community bias. And I'm very passionate about, I suppose, building businesses that look after customers well.
I mean, why the change from Bank of Cyprus to Cynergy?
So in 2018, the Bank of Cyprus group decided that it wanted to focus on the business in Cyprus, and it decided to sell the UK bank. So for legal reasons as much as anything else, it wasn't appropriate for us to continue with the Bank of Cyprus UK business. So we looked at what the alternatives were. So we came up with Cynergy Bank because the CY is very much respectful of the heritage of the bank, which is around the Cypriot community in the UK. And we felt the Cynergy really piece represented how we want to work with customers going forward in terms of synergy to help them grow their business, their property, and indeed their savings. So we felt it was the best of both worlds, and to be honest, it's gone down very well with customers, and we've had no major issues with it whatsoever since we rebranded.
And is there still a Cypriot influence and connection at the Cynergy Bank?
Most definitely, Michael. When you look at it, on the lending side of our business, and we've a lending business and a deposit business. On the lending side of our business, there's probably 70 to 75% of our customers are Cypriot heritage. When you look at the savings side of our business, it is more mass market UK, but we still have a lot of Cypriot savers. And then when you look at our staff, many of our staff come from the Cypriot community, and we see that continuing. So the heritage of the bank is Cypriot, and we are very respectful of that as we move forward.
And why should someone bank with Cynergy, and what can you offer the customer?
So ultimately, on the lending side of our business, we offer speed of decisions, personal relation driven service, and ultimately that's what our customers want. So that's a big reason to bank with us. On the savings side of our business, we have continuing competitive rates, so we offer good rates to customers. Most of our business on the savings side is digital at this point. It's evolved from a branch-based business model to digital. Our last remaining branch is under review as part of the evolution towards digital. But ultimately, so we have good technology to support customers on the savings side, and at an overall level, we give good service and we have good rates for customers.
And one question I expect everyone keeps on asking you is Brexit. How will it affect the bank and, of course, Britain and Cyprus?
Yeah, so look, I think ultimately our customers are business owners by and large, and indeed savers. And what customers ultimately want is certainty. And I think what Brexit has caused issues for businesses and savers is around the certainty piece. So I think I'm personally optimistic that things will get resolved in 2020, and I do think that there's a very strong heritage between the UK and Cyprus, and I don't think Brexit is going to affect that in a negative way over the medium term.
Well, thank you very much, Nick, and I wish Cynergy Bank continued success.
Thank you very much, Michael.